is a it is a comparatively a peculiar kind of an industry, and like we are living in such a country where we don't see the practical application of the products which Venta is manufacturing so often. So you know that this is a human nature, that if we have not seen anything practically, we felt like a little bit um, like more we feel a little bit more difficulty to comprehend and understand the concept of that thing. So that's why I'm going to give you a little brief and of the industry. You don't need to be an industry expert. This case study actually tests your test test your capability of applying the knowledge that you have studied in the three books, irrespective of the industry. Because as you know that the management practices are more or less the same wherever you are working. Yes, there are certain things which are specific to the industry, but in this exam they are not going to test you for those technical complications of any specific industry, right? So I would be starting, and first of all, we would be starting with the industry analysis. And you know that Frinta is in a business of manufacturing the smart home devices. So I have made this thing as a heading. So you know, a smart home device. What is basically a smart home device? As you know that because of the emergence of the digital technologies, um, basically you know the productivity in your work environment has been increased. Your connectivity with your you know within your company, that has also been improved. So you know the advancement in the digital technology has you know affected your basically your personal life as well. So in our homes, basically, you know, as while we were learning about the digital technologies, we learned there this digital technology. Then the information technology basically is a lever which help you to perform certain activities which otherwise, if you would be doing it, that might be a little bit hassle. So this basically is a picture of a home where we have been given a pictorial description of the application of the smart devices in any given home. Now, the basic fundamental of you know basic fundamental of the application of all these devices is basically the connectivity among various devices, and then the connectivity through the internet, right? So here we have been, for example, been shown that air conditioning, you might already be aware of this application of the smart technology. Now you could control your air condition in with your mobile, right? So this is probably a few of the application that you could widely, not widely, but you could have seen here in our country as well. Then the food control is that might be a fridge, where a fridge or a refrigerator which would be having you know the uh, the things there with the barcode, and it will be telling you that you know that those are going to finish, and or you need to replenish them, so you will get a message. I will also give you an example. Like one of my friend, he is running the business of these vending machines. So he got like more than 300 machines operating at the various places in the city of Karachi. So those machines are basically connected with his mobile and you know their computer devices through the internet. There is the same there. There is a basically a kind of a equipment there in the vending machine which collects the information, and then there is the same which is connected with the internet, and then that you know transmit that information to your mobile or to your computer, because they have actually installed an application there. What information that machine sends, then that machine, basically those vending machines have like the different things in them according to the requirement. So if a vending machine has the cold drinks, or the chips or anything there in the shelf, so that there are sensors which collect the information that now this shelf is going needs to be replenished, because the items are now finishing on in this shelf. So they know that specifically that in which machine how much stuff they need to replenish. So they their rider picks the specific amount of that stuff for those machines and then replenish those machines. So this is again the application of this, how this happens, because of the connectivity. You got the connectivity and you are getting the information. So similarly, like you could have the light sensor, which the lights would turn on when the sun will at the sunset, and will be turned off itself when the sun will rise. So similarly, uh, here like they have actually divided these items in three sorry two four categories: energy management, security, housekeeping, and entertainment. Now this you need to keep in your mind, like your Frenta is basically in what they are doing. Basically they are doing the energy management, and they are doing the what other things, like they are doing the other home things. Those doesn't fall probably under the security, but that could also be managed through the product of Frenta smart speaker. So controllers, heat, and the cooling controller, that is the basically energy management. And open close blind surveillance, you could then place the orders of shopping. That's like there in your case study, but that has not been mentioned here, because this is the more about the equipment in your house. So those in your front in your pre-scene, that the information that they have given tells us that there are so many other tasks which you could basically perform using the smart home devices. So humidity sensor, heating, cooling, microphone, robot cleaner. I have seen that robot cleaner. Like you don't know that robot would be. I have seen not here in our country, somewhere else, that robot would be cleaning the floor, and that after doing all the cleaning, that would then itself will goes to the switch where it gets its charging. you know and then the TV, Wi-Fi, DVD, that is the entertainment that your friend case study explained the application of the smart devices as far as the TV, Wi-Fi, and DVDs or concerned. Printer, you know so entrance in your home, security system, that has also been mentioned there. That YP Burns, that security system is quite famous among the customers, and they have written the positive feedback about its equipment. So this is generally the idea, the about the smart home devices. Then another like application which is covering a little bit the same thing in a little bit more specific ways, like IP camera sockets. Those Drenko, they made those those smart switches, right? So that's why I put that slide, so you could comprehend what actually how does it work there. And then the light switches, air conditioning, camera, touch panel, home servers, etc. There are so smoke sensor. All these are connected. So now that all these equipments would be transmitting the information which you would be getting in your mobile or in your computer, right? So smart windows, the TV system. So again, they have not included like that, that you could place the order with your grocer for some specific item of the grocery, or to order some other thing, for order food, right? So that is just like the matter of like linking your smart devices with some applications. If you would be linking your app like the Food Panda with your home smart system, so your smart speaker will be passing on the instructions, commands, which then would be converted into the order, and that would be placed, and you would basically be getting your desired food. Now the problem we have seen that needs a great accuracy, because if something, the wrong or is ordered, that's going to create a problem. And that the misinterpretation of your command by the sensors of the smart speaker, that could also annoy the customer. So the accuracy and perfection, like in converting the voice into the command, is basically the value driver here, right? So now the smart home devices, building blocks of smart home, classic smart home. What are basically those smart home devices? What are basically the fundamentals of the smart home devices? Classics, there are like basically some classic smart devices like your controller. Then cloud computing. Cloud computing is basically give you basically the benefit that you need to understand from the cloud computing is that that you would be having the access to your these systems anywhere in the world. Like cloud computing means that a universal kind of access. Now the internet of things and rule based event processing. Internet of things, basically the definition of an internet of things. Internet, that the net, the inter between, like, so the net of the things. So you know the various things are connected. You and like your smart speaker is connected with your Wi-Fi router, and when you are passing on the instruction, those instructions are basically rule based. Or like this rule based is, it is not only about the voice. Rule based instruction could be any. The rule could be when there is a sensor. The rule defines that when there is a darkness, the switch should be turned on. Now the command is there. Sensor will send a specific message which would be equivalent to turn on the switch. Also upon the darkness, that switch will be turned on. And now the sensor, there is a light, so there is a message that is generated when the sensor gets the light. So that the message is then considered as turn off the lights, rule based, right? So internet of thing means that those things are connected with each other. So the instructions or the commands could be passed on from the one equipment to the other. So these are basically the building blocks. These are basically the fundamental platforms which have made the smart home devices to be like used in your homes. Basically, these are basically providing us the framework, the basic on which we are developing our the smart home devices. So classic smart home residence that has appliances, lighting, heating, air conditioning, TV, computer, entertainment system, washer, etc. The security camera. So those are like capable of talking to each other and being controlled remotely by a time schedule, phone, mobile, or internet. So time schedule means that like in your AC, when you set a time of 4 hours, so it will be turned off after 4 hours. The phone, mobile application, you could control. Like you must have seen that the people, they do have the access to your security cameras through their mobile applications. Smart home provides the security, energy efficiency, low. Now these are the basically the benefits. So if you would see that there in your case study, you have been given a question that, or that this Frinta being considered as a good citizen, or like it could be asked in any manner. The corporate social responsibility, integrated reporting, GRI, whatever, sustainability. So you need to like have the capability that there would be certain, there could be the certain words, there could be a certain sentences that could ask basically the same thing. So you should not confuse yourself. You should understand that what is the essence of the question. So you could then explain that Frenta is like providing the the solutions which are actually contributing towards the green environment, because those solutions are actually helping you to optimize the use of your energy. Like if we talk about the lights and air conditions and those, the electricity is the one of this what we call that, electricity manufacturing, no, not manufacturing, generating electricity is a process which creates the pollution. If it is not the environment friendly, like if you have the electricity from the wind tunnels and nuclear plant, then it's another thing. But if you are generating your electricity from the coal or from the fuel, that is basically detrimental for the environment. So your solutions are actually helping the homes or the houses to use to use the energy efficiently, which actually contributing towards, like, using the electricity less, and ultimately contributing to the environment. So saving of the time, money and energy, these are the some of the other benefits, like convenience. And basically you don't want, actually what happens, like you are sitting in your home, that you are not feeling like to get up and turn off the switch, so you just give a command to the friend that turn off the light, right? So that light would be turned off, so you don't need to. Now the negative side is that these devices have made your physical activity less and less. So, and the other thing is that those are connected through the internet, and that if there is any malfunction in your softwares, that could then create a safety hazard for the, even for the house. That let's imagine that the heating system of your home is not turned off because of any malfunction. So now what will happen, that it would be creating, maybe while the family at the house is sleeping, so it could create such a great heat that could be detrimental for their health. Similarly, like that air conditioning or anything, that there was a reservation about the smart cars, that safety issue was a reservation, that that it might not be as safe as it's been considered, and that if the software would be like having any malfunction or some virus or anything like that, that could then affect the efficiency of the equipment. So smart home devices measuring home conditions, managing home appliances. Now these are the categories, right? Measuring home conditions like temperature, heat, etc. Right? Managing home appliances, managing your, like, turning off the TV, turning off air condition lights, turning, managing those, or like controlling your gate, main entrance, right? So controlling home access, that is the security, basically, the surveillance cameras and etc. That those, now these are broadly the three categories. So from the pre-scene, we have seen that our company is basically, Frinta is the company where you are basically the manager. That company is involved in measuring home conditions, controllers, and then managing home appliances equipment. So that is the smart speakers. Then component of smart home sensors, basically, that when we talk about the light, heat, cooling, those are basically, the input is basically received by the sensors. Then input is then translated and processed by the those programs. But primarily there is a hardware. There needs to be a hardware sensor, right? That obviously then that sensor is given some, the instructions to the that language, programming language, but actually the input is the sensor. Like if we say that the smart access to your home, that face recognition, so what is the input device? Input device is basically the camera there. Now the camera would actually be reading your face and then sending that information to the software, which will then compare the parameters of your the face with the data that is already there in the system, and if they will match, then the door will be the command will be generated, which then will be sent to some equipment, again a hardware, which would open the door. So this is basically the combination of the hardware and the software, sensors, actuators. That those are there are so many there is an involvement of the so many hardwares as well. So as in your case study we have been told that the controllers are basically operated through the voice command. The controller is there. It is only that before that smart speaker, the people used to rotate that controller by hand or physically, but now because of these digital technologies, you could do it like through the voice instruction. Those voice command would actually be translated, the voice instructions would actually be translated into the commands, and that would be executed through some hardware. Now the process for performing local and integrated action, um, that is processing through the as I told you, the language software with the APIs. APIs are basically what stands for. This is basically that is that connects the two systems with each other. The interface application something interface. So that when the two systems talk to each other, that is through the API, that is the protocol, like, right, allowing the external applications to execute it. So you actually basically you would be one system would be allowing the other to to integrate with it. Actuators to provision. Actuators are now the physical thing to provision and execution of the commands. So please try to remain there. Okay. Database to store the process data collected from the sensor and the cloud service. Then here is a smart, this is how the smart home device work. Like this, there is a cloud which connects you through to this whole system through connect, because this is like cloud or internet, that would be giving you the access to the all the information or the data that is being generated through the system. So you got a low